So what is unit? Before we discuss what is unit, look at the picture on the left hand side. This picture shows a meter rule trying to measure the height or length of a miniature model of a house. All of us are familiar with the function of meter rule. If we measure the length or height, we say it is 4 or 5, or let's say X meters. But have you ever thought, what does the word meter stands for? This is what we call a unit. Here the unit for measuring length or height is meter. So, to measure the size of the quantity can be found within an instrument. Here the instrument is meter rule and having a scale marked in the unit. In this case, meter is the unit. By definition, a unit in any standard used for making comparison in measurements. That is, to measure any physical quantity, we use units. For any queries, send email to rhkstore@gmail.com or write in comment section. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, do share, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Stay home and stay safe.